Hi guys, welcome back to Namthip Cuisine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make stir-fry tofu with bean sprouts. This menu very light, very healthy, and super delicious. Before we go into the kitchen, we have to prepare the ingredients. Let's begin. Step 1. Set up heat and put the palm oil. Let it boil. Fry the tofu. Fry tofu until they get the golden color. Deep fry tofu to the golden color and turn to other side. Set aside to drain the oil. Then go to the step 1. Use the oil in the pan. Put chopped garlic and stir. Stir garlic until they get an aroma. Then add the minced chicken breast. Stir all together until the minced chicken cooked done. Add oyster sauce for 2 tablespoons. Add soy sauce 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And stir. Add seasoning sauce 1 tablespoon. One tablespoon of sugar. Add bean sprouts. Add Chinese celery. Add red chili pepper. Stir everything together. Take about 2 minutes or soft as you like. When the bean sprouts is soft, add tofu and turn off the heat. Mix all together. It's well done. Like the video, please share, like, subscribe. Stir-fry tofu sprout ready to serve. See you in the next menu. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.